It's up. Fuck a game, nigga. One man army.
What's up with it, family? Y'all never guess what I got in the mail today. But you know what? I'm gonna show y'all what I got in the mail today. You hear me? Y'all see what they say. Oh yes, sir. I'm finna show y'all what's in the box. Make sure you stay with your boy. Got your screws and your stuff for to mount your paws on the door. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I had to get it for the Tahoe. You know what I'm saying? Got two 6.5s with the 3.5-inch tweeters. Y'all know I had to do it. Yeah, I had to get some for the back too. Y'all already know I had to get it for the back. 6.5, 3.5-inch tweeter. Y'all know I had to get it right. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it. Two 6.5s, 3.5-inch tweeter. That's for the front doors. You know what I'm saying? Get that off the counter. Lay it all out on the counter for y'all. Y'all see it right there. Front and rear door. Speaker parts. Shout out to Bangin' Bros for the discount code. You know what I'm saying? Take a nice good look at them. Oh yeah, I'm finna take y'all to the truck too so y'all can see. Oh, y'all see that thing right there. Y'all see them underglows under there. I did that shit myself too. As you know, I still got the factory dope panels on there. Focus in a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Still got the factory dope panels. So yeah, stay with your boy. We're gonna get these all installed in the door and I'm gonna be right back at you. Let me tell y'all something, man. I've been fighting with this shit. You know what I'm saying? I had to get this shit all together. You know? This shit wasn't easy. You know what I'm saying? They don't send you no instructions, no nothing with this, so you gotta figure it out on your own. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all how they look and what I did. Stay tuned. These the back door panels. 6.5 with the 3.5-inch tweeter. Show y'all how it look on the back. You gotta do some cutting. You gotta do some cutting. So if you got these or think about getting these, just know one thing. You gotta do some cutting on your door panels. These the front door panels. Two 6.5s with the two 3.5-inch tweeters. Now with the front door panels, I ain't had to do no cutting on it. Just had to drill a couple holes for the speaker part to mount it to. And run my wires through. So yeah, that's about it. You know what I'm saying? You want to see more about the Tahoe? Make sure you stay tuned, baby. Alright, so we got the two tweeters in those. I done put the door panel on already. Y'all see it. That's the front. This the back door. That's the other side over there. Passenger side. Yeah, they got that room right there. So yeah. See what they sound like.
Bagging up the miles, we do the miles job. Had a rich chick in my coat, got a girl doing coke. We drink up and we smoke, she always do the most. It kinda turn me on when she licking on my stones. My chains on antifreeze, it look like I made a clone. Wanna see you get more sassy, to bring out better emotions. She called me a gun, the way I floated in her ocean. But I put like in my daughter, she was already hooked. If you always there for me, that's a really good look. I'm changing up guns after me, cause I'm getting to know you. Tell me your availability, I want all of you. If it's like that, then it's like that. If you light up like lightning, I smack it up, get feisty. Can't tell me touch it, I say you gon' feel real, they fuck. Thankful for when you're lost. You're a good girl, but you're naughty. Oh, you never moved out on Pilates. And if you stand next to Bugatti, damn garbage with a body. Me and T girls say cheat me, T number, stay flat. If she get to you, then she fast forward. Like a stash house, band all the band dog trap house. Made it with nothing, learned to swag out. Yeah, can't be defeated, I got mad sauce. Yeah, why would I front like it ain't my fault? Drink up and we smoke, she always do the most. It kinda turned me on when she looking on my songs. My chains on antifreeze, it look like I made a clone. Wanna see you get more sassy, bring out better emotions. She called me a god the way I floated in.
Man, I got more videos dropping on my channel about this Tahoe. Make sure y'all stay tuned, you hear me? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your boy channel, the Tahoe Guy. Peace.
Beep, 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 beep. AR-15.